In today's video, we bring a good news for you. A few days ago, when we shared a video where we set up an indicator, and that indicator is MACD. The MT4 platform of laptop or desktop has MACD indicator, but there are no two lines. But in order to follow this strategy, two lines are needed in that indicator. One is the MACD line and the other one is the signal line. So to get this real indicator, you have to download an indicator manually and then you have to set up it, which we showed you in the previous video, and many people wanted that indicator so that they can download and use it. So that's why ForexBD is giving this indicator for free for everyone. So today we will discuss where to get this indicator, how to download it and how to set up it. So let's start the video without wasting time. So hello viewers, I am an official member of ForexBD. I hope you all are well. First, you will get the link in the description of this video to download the indicator. Clicking there will take you the new page, that is ForexBD's official website. However, I would like to say another thing, that you must use the link of ForexBD when you create an account at broker house or any payment gateway. This will keep your account safe at all time. Anyone can participate in any type of contest. You will get quick verification in your account and you will get also benefit of bank deposit. Besides, there have many promotion offer for you if you create your account by ForexBD's link. So after clicking on the link, you will be taken to the ForexBD's website. Here is your desired indicator. If you go down a little, you can see that there is an indicator link. If you click on the link, you will be taken to the download page. You can easily download the indicator from here. You can see the download icon at the top of the corner. Clicking here will download your indicator. Our indicator has been downloaded and now we will show you how to set up it easily on your platform. Once downloaded the indicator, then click right button on the mouse in indicator. Then click on the option called Open with WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR on your laptop, then first install it. So after clicking Open with WinRAR, it will open. Here you can see a page come. From here, copy the EX file. After copying, you will open your MT4 platform. From there, click on the menu option at the top left. In the middle, you will see an option called Open Data File. Click there, then a page will appear. From here, click on the folder named MQL4. Then another page will appear. You have to find the folder named indicator from here. Then open it and come here and paste the copied indicator. If you paste, your work is done. Now close everything. You also close your MT4 platform and file everything. Then after closing, you have to open your MT4 platform. So when it opens, you click on the insert option at the top, then go to the indicator name option, then select the custom name option. So after clicking custom option, you will see many indicator in front of you. Then you have to find out your desired indicator called MACD MT4 2 line. So click on this indicator. So after clicking, you will see a page. Click on OK. Then your indicator will set up on your chart. You can see this indicator is set up on my chart. There is histogram, then there are two lines. So from here you can easily analyze and trade like trading view. This is exactly how you can set up. So here you can set up this indicator very easily. In this way, you will get the link in the video description. Then click, you will get ForexBD's website. Then by clicking that link, you can download your desired indicator. Not only this indicator, we also published all kind of indicator article and all our service on the website. So you can set up it in your trading platform from ForexBD's website exactly as you have seen. Today's video is especially for those who have made comment and wanted to get this indicator. So if you want to know something, just make a comment, then ForexBD obviously help you as soon as possible. ForexBD will try its best to stay by your side. Now if you need any more help or any indicator, please let us know in the comment box. ForexBD will try their best. Besides, we have given you some videos with candlestick pattern. There we have presented all the aspect of this pattern. There are also indicator of candlestick pattern, which if you used, that indicator will tell you the name of candle. So if you want this indicator, don't forget to comment comment on the comment box. Then FOREX video also published that indicator. Then you can download it. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand our video and hopefully you can download this indicator from FOREX video's website. And the last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX video's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX video's link. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.